On the quick update, because we see a pump right now. Is this right now the pump to 27k first and then a dump to 10k? Let's speak about bratans. Yesterday I told you that if we are breaking here this line of around 19,230, we can set a long opportunity. So if you took here this long opportunity at 9,230, then you made something between 2% and 2.3% profit. Congratulations, 10x average 20%, 20x average over 40%. And right now we are retesting this orange line. This is what I want to speak. Will we break down and see already a huge dump to 10k, or will we see a pump first to 27k and then a C dump? So let's watch, bratan. So I told you yesterday that I want to see cool down. I want to see it. Why? Because we were heavily overbought. You see, heavily overbought in 4 hourly, even more on the 1 hourly. 1 hourly sucker blood, like Elon Musk go to the Mars blood. But luckily we are cooling down. You see, we are right now neutral, and on the 15 minutes we are even heavily oversold, right? So not heavily, but we are oversold. We were heavily oversold. So this looks very nice. And on the 15 minute and on the 1 hourly, it seems like we are retesting it, and seems that we're passing the retest, but this is not the guarantee. So in my opinion, like I told you yesterday, as long as we're not breaking this level of 90,000, I would say 90,140 to the downside, I remain bullish. So I would like to see on the 1 hourly, it's okay, 15-minute RSI is okay, but on the 4 hourly, I would like to see more cool down, to be honest. I would like to see more cool down. However, this looks right now still very bullish, very healthy. So in my opinion, there are two options. Either for the very experienced trader, we could jump right now into a long and set stop loss below 90,140, right? Or we're waiting until we pass the retest, and breaking here above this level, I would say, of here around, wait a minute, I delete this. If we see here this break above 19,590, I would say, or let's say 19,500, 19,600. So for the ones who likes to be safe and wear condoms, so if we break 9,600, then we could set here long, because then we pass the retest. For the more risky ones that have a lot of children with women which they don't know, we could jump right now into a long and set stop loss below 90,140. Not financial advice, only my opinion, bratans. Then my price targets, I show you, it's my price targets are very clear. So the first price target would be here, again, back 90,600. The second one would be 9,825. Then we have the bigger price target at 20,370. And if we're breaking also this level, I expecting clearly that we will see Bitcoin at around of level of 26k. So this would be around 34%, 10x average 340%, 20x leverage over 680% long opportunity. This is amazing, bratans. And why I'm speaking about 26k, around 26k? Because you see, we broke out yesterday of this descending broadening wedge, and this is a very, very bullish pattern, a highly bullish pattern. We broke out with a very nice candle, but not nice volume. So this is what I don't like. So this is a risky one. It's not a guarantee that we will go. It looks nice, but I don't like the volume, to be honest. So let's see what happens today. Technically speaking, the price target we measure from the top to the downside. And technically speaking, the price target is here around 26k, you see, like I told you. So very clear in my opinion. Right now it's a long opportunity. If you also want to trade on Bybit, where we are doing, you can get through my link $4,620 for free. You can use it for trading, bratan. You get it after a certain amount of initial deposit. And if you don't have initial deposit, you get still through my link free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. Link is down below, bratan. So very clear in my opinion, here this opportunity. And a short opportunity would be, like I told you, only if you're breaking here this level of 90,140 to the downside. Then we can obviously start shorting down at 90,140. First price like 80,950, and the second one would be here, our yellow line at 18,680. So all in all, this could be a trade, or even 80,600, 650. So on all 2.5% short opportunity, 10x average 25%, 20x average or 50%. Only if we're breaking 9,140. If we break 9,140, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. Right now, it's a long opportunity for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. It looks very healthy because we are cooling down. I'm expecting, as long as we're not breaking 9,140, a huge pump to the upside. So in my opinion, this is very clear, bratans, and why I wrote in the title 26k and then 10k, because look, if you watched my video from yesterday about Biden crashes oil market, please watch it, because it's very it's not so much the it's more macro perspective, because after the midterm election in US, which will happen on the 8th November, I expect a huge dump. And after the midterm election, what we have here, a huge support line at around 10k. You see it, I mean, it depends where, but we could easily go right now to 26k, right? We could go here to Hoyak 26k, and right after we could see here a dump to 10k. You see, easily to retesting here this line. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what could happen. It's not a financial advice. It's not what it's guaranteed. It's all about probabilities, bratans, not about certainties. This is what crypto is. Please do your own research. This is my opinion, bratans. Ethereum, I go quickly through Ethereum price targets, bratan, with you. So Ethereum also saw a huge pump yesterday. So if you took here this Ethereum long opportunity while we saw Bitcoin pumping, when I told you, then you made even more profits yesterday. So very clear here, if Bitcoin breaking further to the upside, we can further long Ethereum. Here's the price tag, 1,370. Next one is 1,400, 4.4%, and it's 44%, 20x average over 88%. If we further breaking down this level of 1,400, hello, then we can expect Bitcoin, Ethereum at 1,303, and the next level will be at 1,276, 4.8%, and average 48%, 20x average over 56% short opportunity. But only if Bitcoin breaking down, then we are shorting Ethereum. If Bitcoin breaking our resistance line, we are longing Ethereum. So right now we are in a bullish mode, so we could also long Ethereum. Be careful only for super professional traders, bratans. By the way, bratan, I go quickly also through S&P 500 in a minute, because S&P 500 is leading indicator. But don't forget, I told you that on Sunday evening we will see huge volatility because of the Asia market. What we saw high volatility. So thank you, Slavik. So let us watch S&P 500, but S&P 500 is very important to watch, because you see S&P 500 close to 3,750, and we are right now in the futures already at 3,770. So we see a pump right now in the S&P 500 futures, which is very bullish for Bitcoin, because it's a leading indicator. Wow, look at this beautiful, man, this TA is so erotic. I getting aroused. You getting aroused? Yes, you're getting aroused. You see perfect retest. We broke this purple line to the upside, which was a huge resistance line since August. We had one fake out, and right now we broke out, and we are right now on the step of breaking here this 3,750 resistance level. This would be very bullish, and you see 4 hourly is slightly overbought. I would say even neutral. 1 hourly is slightly overbought, and 15 minute is heavily overbought. Shit, 15 minutes heavily overbought. So we could see here cool down of S&P 500 further, which would cause Bitcoin further to breaking down. But as long as S&P 500, the leading indicator for Bitcoin and for crypto, is not breaking below this purple line, I remain bullish on Bitcoin. So as long as you're not breaking this purple line to the downside, it's very bullish for crypto and Bitcoin, because of S&P 500 pumping, Bitcoin pumping, all the altcoins pumping, right? So very clear, bratans, in my opinion. But however, Bitcoin, very clear our price targets and entry position. So we are breaking right now under this level of the orange line. It's okay as long as we're not breaking 9,140, in my opinion, bratans. Right now, a long opportunity with stop loss slightly below 90,140. Not financial advice. Do your own research, or waiting until we are breaking here 90,600. Then we can start long, or a short opportunity in case of we are breaking 9,140 to the downside. Don't forget, Bybit 4,620 you get for free. You can use it for trading after a certain amount of initial deposit, and free access to my Discord Telegram channel. So, bratans, write me down below, what do you think all about it? What do you think? Do you think we will go down? We will go up? What is your opinion on this? Don't forget, $4,620 for free. This Bybit link, and if you want here to see this view of this beautiful Paris view, I like it, I love it here very much, bratans. And if you don't see my vlog, I shooting today the third episode, but right now on the channel only the first one is online, which you asked for, bratans. Then watch right now on this channel, it's online, it's so popular, it's the most popular video on my channel right now. So if you want to watch it, watch this on the channel. I kiss you and I see you.